My goal today is not only to teach you the basics of epoxy, how to do it, mixing, teach you about concrete repair, cause and effect, what moisture is, what outgassing is, how to repair your cracks. November 1st, 2013 is when we opened our doors. And I've been in business for about, basically 9 years now. Most guys just kind of do a swirling motion, so I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, no, he was great. Definitely been to a lot of trainings. Feel like I got the most out of this training.
All you wanna do is get this nice and even, have full coverage. Someone's gonna be in spike shoes, they're gonna be walking around on the floor, broadcasting out the flake. We call this feeding the chickens.
I thought it was awesome, very informative. You guys, friendly staff. Greg's awesome. I mean, he answered every question from A to Z.
But it's super user-friendly. 0 roller lines in this thing, so long as you just kind of roll it out really evenly and then have someone come along, do a back roll as you're rolling it out, you're gonna have a fantastic floor. It's one of the most easiest user-friendly sealers that we've got.
They explain everything clearly. With me not knowing a single thing, I'm walking out of here pretty much knowing everything now.